Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your sister Jilipa, and today I'm going to be doing the unboxing of Gunda X Pari. So this is the Gunda shades for all of you Pari out there, and today I'm going to be showing you the 3 Gunda shades for Pari. Okay, so this is the packaging. When you order online, this is how it's going to arrive. We have this really nice box. It's strong, and we have our logo on the top. Now I'm going to be opening it. Okay, so when you open it, it looks like that. We have this beautiful black inner lining, yeah, and we have this thank you card on the top, on the lid, and there. So these are the 3 Gunda shades for Pari. I'm going to be opening it one by one. So let's take this one out. So it's nicely wrapped. And I'm going to take it out like that. Oh no, jatiyo. But never mind. And this is the box. I'm gonna guess I'm gonna guess the shades. I think this is, so there is Sunny, Nani, and Savage. I think this is Sunny. I don't know, I have a feeling that this is Sunny. Let me open it. Oh, I love this packaging because it's very strong. It's velvet on the top. It's matte, actually, matte velvet. There's the logo of Gunda, and if you can see this logo, it is a monkey, or a chimpanzee. I think this is Sega, because he's a monkey. No, Sega is a King Kong, that's what he said. When we were designing the logo, we wanted to make it monkey or chimpanzee style, because Sega's birth year is monkey. So we have it here, monkey wearing sunglasses, and the logo here, Gunda London. Okay, I'm gonna open it. When you open it, this is what it looks like inside. I love this material. It feels very high quality, and I don't know what this is, but it feels like a velvet cloth inside. And okay, I think I guessed it right. This is Sunny. No, my bad. This is Nani. Yeah. I just realized this is my first unboxing ever. I think I haven't really done any kind of unboxing like this. I've only done beauty unboxing, and doing sunglasses unboxing is really weird. But weird because I don't know, I can't find the words to describe it. But this is what it looks like inside. And inside you have this little catalog, or what is this, information thing, and you have your cloth to wipe the glasses. You see, I don't really know much about sunglasses, so it's all Sega who is doing all the things about these sunglasses. I have almost 5% of knowledge on sunglasses. I just picked the designs, and I just know how to take photos. But yeah, so this is the information card that comes with it. The information about the sunglasses, what Gunda is, and all those things. So this is the info card, and you have your cleaning cloth here. And oh yeah, one thing I really love about this packaging is that when you're not wearing your sunglasses and you want to put this in your bag, you can just you can fold it like that and put it in your bag. But when you want to put your sunglasses in, when you're not wearing it, you can fold it right up like that, and it has magnetic closure here, so you can just close it like that. And when you don't use it, your sunglasses is out, and you can flatten it, and there you go. Okay, there is also another card where you got the Gunda himself, and guess who's at the back? So those are the things that's inside. And now I'm gonna take out the sunglasses. If you ask me which one is my favorite, I think Sunny and Savage are my favorite, but this one is very classic, just normal black sunglasses. But I really like this. I love the shape. These kind of shape are very trendy because it makes you look like, it does have a tiny bit of cat eye-ish look. So I'm gonna put it on, and you can see I have a pretty round face and I have a chubby face. So if you're like me and you have chubby and round face, it still looks good. I don't really, the reason why I don't know much about sunglasses is because I've always been very concerned about me not looking so good in sunglasses. But this one, I love this because I think it makes me look cute. And I don't think it makes my face look that weird or more chubbier, you know, because some sunglasses, the shapes, it just makes your face look even more wider, more chubbier. But this one, I think it kind of like pulls your face upward, so because it has this tiny bit of cat eye-ish look, but it's not a sexy cat eye, and it's a cute cat eye. So I think it gives you a cute look, and I really love this. If you're someone who does not fancy a lot of colors, or really reflective colors for sunglasses, then this is the one for you. So this is what it looks like from the side, and from the front this is what it looks like. And so we have the logo silk printed on the side, and also on the what is this, the lens itself. Most of the time when I'm wearing the sunglasses, it's usually on my head like that, and it still looks cute. And also this is kind of like Barbie style, so any of you who want to go for that cute, oh, and also I realized that this makes you look younger. So if you want to look younger, I love this shape because it makes you look cute. And yeah, I love this. Now let's open another one. I think I'm gonna open this one on this side, and I'm sure this has to be Sunny. First one, which is the black one, is, so this is Sunny. No, this is Nani. Okay, I'm gonna put these away because it's a little messy here. Okay, let me put this here. Now let's unbox this one. I'm trying my best not to rip it apart. Okay, there you go. And here is the box again. I am so happy with this packaging. Sega did a really good job on this. And this is what it looks like inside. Okay, I'm gonna take out this. I'm only gonna take out the shades and put these back. So again, you have your info card, your cleaning cloth, and some cards inside. Now let's take this one out. And this is the Sunny. I love this. If you ask me which one do I like most, I like this one. I like the Sunny. So this is Nani and this is Sunny. I will tell you why these are named Nani and Sunny. So I like this one, the reflective one, because it's reflective, and also because sometimes I forget to bring my mirror. Then I can just, like, you know, take off my sunglasses and and then do some touch-up. So it's mirrored. Again, the logo is on the left side of the frame, and it's on the temple, and it's also on the frame itself. So I'm gonna put this on, and this is what it looks like. Ooh. I love this. This is reflective, but the thing is you can see everything in the room. Okay, let me put this on my head like that. My hair is messy today. So this is Nani. No, this is Sunny. Oh my god, what's wrong with me? I keep forgetting the names. I think I want to open Savage, that's why. Now the name behind this, like this shade, like the name Savage is funny because I'll tell you later. Okay, I think I'm gonna open it like that because I really don't want to tear this paper. And here is Savage. So for all of you ladies, for all of our party, we have 3 shades, 3 different styles. So Sunny, Nani, and Savage. Savage, I'll tell you why later, the name. Why the name is Savage. So Savage is in orange color, and this is what it looks like. I'm finding really hard time trying to describe sunglasses because you can see I have no idea about it, you know. And if I don't know much about it, then I'm not gonna say that I know because I don't know. I love this. I think this. I'm looking this way because I have my computer here, and I'm checking if it's like recording or not. So this is Savage. Again, on the temple you have the Gunda logo, and also on the lens itself, it's on the right. This is what it looks like. This is kind of similar to the OG shades. I'm gonna put it here, put a picture here. This is kind of similar, but it has a different shape. So it is like, this is also cat eye-ish. No, you saw that this one is more cute cat eye, and this one is a little bit sexy cat eye, but it's not too sexy, dramatic, not too dramatic cat eye. It's just cat eye, but elegant, in an elegant way, I think. Okay, I'm trying hard to explain. So this is what it looks like. Most of the time it's always on my head. I think this matches my eye look today. Yeah. So for this one, if you can see, it has this, the frame is going like round but up, so it's like pointing upwards. That means it's gonna lift your face. It makes you look sexy, I think. Okay, that didn't look sexy at all, but you know what I mean. Alright, so this is the unboxing of Gunda shades for all of you Pari. So the name Sunny is named by our brand partner Neptal King. It's his favorite Burmese python snake's name, whose name is also Sunny. And again, the name Nani is given by our brand partner Neptal King, inspired by his another favorite reticulate snake, which is also Nani. It's a huge one. It's a huge snake. And this is Savage, another premium ladies eyewear. And this is named by Sega for me. It's called Savage because he finds me savage, but I love this hot orange color. And after a lot of trials and improvements on the little details and designs, we have improved this final look, and I love it. It reminds me of a hot summer drinking icy cold fruit punch with my boyfriend sitting beside me. You know. But jokes aside, if you're looking for a versatile pair of sunglasses, look no further than our Gunda shades. Feel like a gangster every time you wear them. That's the slogan he gave me. But all these shades are available on both Gunda and Pari's website. So yeah, you can get your Gunda shades for your Pari or for you and your Gunda. Okay, so you can use this code Gunda X Pari to get 15% off. That is valid until the 20th of July. So what is Gunda for me? Gunda has its own meaning behind it, but today I want to give a different meaning to it. Okay. Sometimes in life, being too nice and kind does not work. Sometimes you have to be a Gunda or a Gundini to stand up for what you believe in. Okay, drip no blood, but fight for what's worth. Get Gunda shades. Get Gunda shades. Peace. Okay. Bye bye. Oh wait, don't go yet. I almost forgot to tell you this good news about our contact lenses. So if you use this code, you will get buy 2 get 1 free, and if you use this code, you can get the buy 3 get 3 free offer. It's cool, right? Like you buy 3 and you get 3 free. So if you have some friends who want to try contact lenses, you can chip in and get 3 free for yourself or for your friends. And I really love these contact lenses. If you're wondering, yes, these are Pari contact lenses. This is the new one. This is the Himalaya collection. It's the Himalaya Grey. I've already made a video on contact lenses. I think 2-3 days ago I uploaded that video where I showed you all of our Himalaya collection. This is the new series. This is our second series. I'm so excited. I love these. I know these look crazy, but it's not supposed to look natural. It's supposed to look crazy. It looks crazy, but it looks cute, and I love it. And this one is our best-selling one. So, and also this is my favorite, and I think a lot of people love it. So if you like contact lenses, you can go check them out in this website. And yeah, oh, if you're wondering, we also have prescription. So if you need prescription contact lenses, then we got you covered. But for sunglasses, we don't have prescription yet. But what you can do is you can get your, well, let me try this one. So you can get Gunda shades and you get your prescription contact lenses and you wear them like that. Okay. Alright guys, that is the end of this video. This is kind of like a different video for me, because I've never really done this is like a boyish type of video which I never really done before. But yeah, this is so uncomfortable. I'm gonna be back with my beauty videos again. Okay, until then, take care and yeah, stay safe. Bye bye.